every now and then, living in the moment can be a challenge. Give yourself permission to step back in time, before the last ice age, to a region spared from glaciers, allowing it to retain its natural splendor. Take in the views of our rolling hills. Explore the beauty of unique geology. Envision discovering rocky bluffs. And steep valleys, carved by streams across the landscape. Let them carry your cares away. Linger as long as you like in this place, with the people who matter most. Together, suspended in time. Soon, you'll be able to experience the wonders of travel in Wisconsin. Until then, take comfort in knowing you can come back to this relaxed state anytime you please.